2, let us come to question number 4 part 2. Now this question is similar to question number 5 part 2 of exercise 2.3. So if you solve this problem, I hope that problem is also done. So here we have 4 part 2. Let us write it down. We have 7 5 by 8. So we have this question, 7 5 by 8 plus 22 13 by 24 divided by 16 7 by 11 minus 5 2 by 3. So first of all, we'll change them into improper fractions. 8 7s are 56 plus 5 61 by 8. 24 into 22 will give you 528, and if you add 13 to it, you'll get 541. Similarly, 11 into 16 will give you 176, plus 7 will give you 183. Here we have 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17 by 3. Now what we'll do is, we'll find out the sum of these two fractions here on the numerator side, and here we'll find out the difference of these two fractions here on the denominator side. So here we'll take out the LCM of 8 and 24, and that will give you 24. Now 8 will go 3 times, 3 into 61 will give you 183. Here we'll have, so 24 is the LCM here, 8 goes 3 times, 3 into 61 will give you 183. Now here 24 goes 1 time, 1 into 541 will give you 541. Similarly, we'll take the LCM of 11 and 3, that will give you 33. 11 will go 3 times. Now you multiply 183 with 3, that will give you 549. 3 will go 11 times, and 11 into 17 will give you 187. So I repeat, 8 will go 3 times, 3 into 61 will give you 183. 24 will go 1 time, 1 into 541 will give you 541. Similarly, you'll take the LCM of 11 and 3, you'll get 33. 11 goes 3 times, 3 into 183 will give you 549, and 3 will go 11 times, and 11 into 17 will give you 187. Now let us solve that. We have 183 plus 541. If we add it, we will get 724. And here 549 minus 187, if we subtract, we will get 362. Next what we'll do is, we will write it as 724 by 24. Now we'll find out the reciprocal of 362 by 33, that will give you 33 by 362. Now let us cancel it. Now you can see here 33 and 24 can be cancelled. 3 8 times, 3 11 times. Here 362 and 724 can be cancelled, because you can see here 362 into 2 will give you 724. So 362 1, and this is 2 times here. Next we'll multiply, we can cancel 2 and 8 as well. 2 will go 1 time, this is 4 times. So ultimately answer will become 11 by 4, which can be written as 2 3 by 4. So this is the ultimate answer. So first of all, what you'll do is, you'll change them into improper fractions, then add the numerator, add the denominator. Sorry, here we have to find out the difference of the denominator. You have to add the numerator, find out the difference here separately, or you can do it here the way I have shown you. You can add these two. Ultimately, the LCM of 8 and 24 will be 24. You'll get 183 plus 541 because 8 will go 3 times. 3 into 61 will give you 183. 24 will go 1 time. 1 into 541 will give you 541. Similarly, here 11 and 3's LCM will be 33. 11 will go 3 times. 3 into 183 gives you 549 minus 3 goes 11 times. 11 into 17 gives you 187. So ultimately, your figure will be 724 by 24 by 362 by 33. So that can be written as 724 by 24 into 362 by 33 will become 33 by 362. And then we'll cancel it. We'll get 11 by 4. Ultimately, your answer will be 2, 3 by 4. Let's come to the next problem. That is question number 4, part 5. So let's come to the next problem. I hope you are following it and you are able to understand all the sums which have been done on the board. We have 5 1 by 2. So this is the question here. We have 5 1 by 2 minus open square bracket 2 1 by 3 divided by curly bracket open 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 circular bracket open 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8. On top of it there is a bar and the bracket closed. So first of all, what we'll do is we will change the numbers which are in mixed fraction into improper fraction. In the next step, we'll solve the bar first. Six and 8 LCM will be 24. Six will go 4 times. So you have 4 here, 8 will go 3 times, so you have 3 here. So ultimately answer will be 1 by 24. Now we will, in the next step, we will solve this circular bracket. We'll take the LCM of 3 and 24, we'll get 24. 3 will go 8 times and 24 will go 1 time. So 16 minus 1 will give you 15. You have 15 by 24. We don't have further space. So what we'll do is we'll rub till here and then we'll follow from the top. So this is what we have till now. Now this has to be multiplied. 1 into 15, 15, 2 into 24 is 48. So you'll get 15 by 48. Next, what you'll do is, you'll solve what is there in the curly bracket. Four will go 12 times. 12 threes are 36. Okay. Next, (36 minus 15 will give you 21. Since there's a division sign here, we'll put a multiplication sign and we'll find out the reciprocal of 21 by 48, which will give you 48 by 21. 7 will go 3 times, 3 will go 16 times. Next, we can write this as here we have 16 by 3. Again, we'll take the LCM. LCM will be 6. 2 will go 3 times, 33. 3 will go 2 times, 32. I repeat, 2 will go 3 times, 3 into 11 is 33. 3 will go 2 times, 2 into 16 is 32. So ultimately answer will be 1 by 6. So this is how you will do this problem. As I have done it, so follow step by step, and this is how you have to solve this question. Now let us come to exercise 2.5.